Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Alex TV. Thank you very much for joining us this particular moment. Now, on trending stories, there is a place known as Keumbu in Kisii County. It has been trending for the last 4 days.
Trading activities in Keumbu Market in Kisii County have been paralyzed for 4 days now, following an alleged online boycott against the traders in the market. This response by the residents in Keumbu has been linked to the violence witnessed on Friday during the Mwananchi tour in Kisii.
Hey, fire! 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 Togliamo para! Togliamo para! Togliamo para muy navi! Fire! 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 Fire!
Now, according to the report that we have, is that Keumbu is a market center that specializes in selling of fruits and sugarcane. The sugarcane that is famously known from Kisii County, very juicy. Now, the bone of contention here is that the area MP, who happens to be a diehard supporter of President Ruto, or under the slogan two-term government, allegedly had distributed about 5,000 shillings to every market seller, wale wa kina mama wa pale soko. So after that particular thing, we are told that it was a move to allegedly move to make it an area of two-term, because in Kenya it's either you are one-term or two-term. So allegedly that was meant to make the area to be a two-term. So after that particular incident, we are told that Linda Mwananchi had a function on their way to Kisii County. They had a stopover. Keumbu was one of the stopover that the Linda Mwananchi wanted to address wananchi. So after that particular stopover being arranged, we are told that the rally was met with a lot of goonism and beating of people, together with the destruction of property. This comprises what you're calling as vehicles that the Linda Mwananchi were using. So unfortunately, one person died and many others, several, were injured as a result of that particular incident, which was a very unfortunate incident. So social mobilization has been happening, and you're told that people who support the Linda Mwananchi function have mobilized the social mobilization, where they have decided to boycott buying of products from that particular Keumbu region, and they have resorted to the nearest market center known as Giachero. Giachero is the next market center, and allegedly or reportedly we are told that it is now growing at a fast rate. So what is your thought about these political alignments and how it is affecting our social structure and even political demographic of the country? What do you think? Under the comment section, let us interact, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and even share to your loved ones. Until next time, adios.